morning friends, welcome to our channel. That name is Guruji and we will start the chapter number 5. We have already completed the 5.1 and 5.2 and here it is the exercise number 5.3 and we will learn about the sum and the terms of AP. Look at this one. Here it is the formula for you. The sum to n terms of an AP with the first term A and the common difference D is given by. We have two formula. Apply according to your situation. So in this condition we know that Sn equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d or Sn equal to n upon 2a plus n. When you have the value of a, d or n, so then you can apply this formula. When you have the last value, then you can apply this one. Okay friends, and we will start the exercise. Here it is 5.3 exercise. So 5.3 exercise, question number first, find the sum. The number is here 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. We have to find the series given 2, 7, 12 and we have to find the sum of the 10 terms. Okay, so let us start this solution. You can see this one solution. Let A be the first term. A be the first term of term and D be common difference of given AP. Given AP is here 2, 7, 12. Okay, so such that A equal to how much? The first term is 2, so the value is 2 here. Okay, and the value of D second value minus first, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, and value number of terms here 10. Okay friends, and here it is. We know that which formula we will apply. You can see value of A, D or N is given, so we can apply the first formula, n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 D. So write down this formula again. Sn equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 D. Okay, put the value and find out the answer. Look this one, Sn, value of n is 10, so here it is written 10, S10, right? Putting the value, n value is 10, and value is 10 also here, so 10 upon 2, big bracket sign, 2 into a, value of a is given 2, plus n minus 1 value 10 minus 1, and value of d, it is given that 5 here. Okay, after writing this work, and we will simplify this question. So 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10, so you can write here it is 5, 2 2 are 4, you have write it 2 2 are 4, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 into 5, again 5 as it is and 4 also as it is, 9 5 are 45. You have to return this one, and then after 45 plus 4, so you have to write 49, multiply by 49 into 5, it is 245. So this is the required value S10. So your answer is S10 equal to 245. Okay friends, this is the first question. So again you can see this one. We will apply the formula is here n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d, because we have the series 2 7 12, a equal to 2 and d equal to 7 minus 2 is 5, and the number of terms here is 10. So apply this formula and after solving you will get the answer 245. Okay friends, here it is written in an AP given a equal to 7, a equal to 13, a 13 equal to 35, find the D and S13. Again you can see value of a equal to 7, or A13 is 35. A13 means A plus 12D. A plus 12D equal to 35. So first of all we have to find the value of A and D, then after you have to solve out. Okay. So here you can write solution is here. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference, So here A equal to 7, so A equal to 7 and the next value A13 is equal to 35. A13 that means A plus 12D. A plus 12D or value of A13 is here 35. You can write it 35. Value of A is 7 and plus 12D. 35 and 7, this number, where is this side? Right hand side, and so you have to move in left hand side. 35 minus 7 is equal to 12D. It is 28, 12D, and 28 upon 12 equal to D. 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28. 7 upon 3 equal to D, or D equal to 7 upon 3. So we have find out the value of D here. Now, and what is our requirements? Requirements is the find the value of D. The first requirement is fulfilled and the second requirement is S13. So n value is 13. Okay, so first of all we write, we know that Sn equal to which formula? There are two formula, A plus n, and the second is n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So see here we have the value of n value. N value, how much n value is? 13. Value of A is given also and value is given is D. So first of all we will apply the first formula, Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula. You have to put the value Sn, n value is 13, so you can write S13 is here, and the n value is 13 upon 2, and now 2 into A, value of A, look at this one, it is 7 here, plus n minus 1, value of n is 13, 13 minus 1, and value of D you can see here 7 upon 3, so write it 7 upon 3. We will simplify this one, 13 upon 2 as it is, 2 7 ja 14 plus 13 minus 3, it is 12, 7 upon 3, 3 4 ja 12. Now you can multiply this number, 4 into 7, how much? 28. After adding we will get 42, 42 divided by 2, it's 21. So 13 into 21, 21 3 is 63 and 21 1 ja 21 plus 6, 273. The required value as 13 is 273. After that you can write the answer, because there are two requirements, so you have to write D. D equal to how much? 7 upon 3, and the value as 13 is how much here? 273. So this is your question number 3 is completed. Number 5, look at this one. The first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45, and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. We have to find the number of terms and common difference. Okay, we have given, what is the given is in this one? The first term means A value is 5 and the last term is 45, means L equal to 45, and sum is 400. So definitely we will apply the second formula, Sn equal to n upon 2a plus L. Okay, so how to solve? Look at this one. Solution is here. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference of AP. Okay, so given equal to, how much equal to 5 here, and the L value last term is 45 and the sum of the terms, so Sn, S equal to how much, 400. We know that formula is here, Sn equal to n upon 2 A plus L, because the value is given, A value or L value is given, so now you can apply this formula. N upon 2 Sn, value of Sn is 400, n upon 2 as it is, because we have to find the value of n, and value of A is 5 and the next value, L value, is 45. After adding we will get n upon 2 into 45 plus 5, is it how much here, 50, and 50 divided by 2, that is 25. So number comes 25n. So how to write, 400 upon 25 equal to n. 25 banja 25 and the remaining is 50, 150, so 16 times, 16 equal to n equal to 16. Okay here. So first requirement is fulfilled, find the number of terms and the common difference. We have to find the common difference also. How? So we know that, another formula, we know that an is the last term. Okay, so A plus n minus 1 D, you can apply it. An or L, that means equal. So the an value is 45, you can write it. Value of A, how much, here it is 5, and value of n, it is given 16 minus 1 into D. 45 minus 5, this number is positive and comes in LHS side, so sign will be changed. 16 minus 1, how much here, it is 15D. 45 minus 5 is 40 is equal to 15D, and 40 upon 15 is equal to D. Divide by 5 3 and 8. So you will get the new value 8 upon 3 is equal to D, or D equal to 8 upon 3. Okay friends, so your answer you can write value of n, how much, n equal to 16, and the next one value is D, so D equal to 8 upon 3. This is your solution of question number 5. And is here, so that A1, A2, A3 ... AN form an AP where AN is defined as below, AN equal to 3 plus 4n. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms. So in this question, first of all, this value is standard value, AN equal to 3 plus 4n. So by the help of, you will find out the value of A1, A2, A3, AN. Then after you have to find the sum of the first 15 terms. So look at this one, how to solve. Given condition is here, AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. Putting the value of n, putting the value of n equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now A1 how much, 3 plus 4 into 1, so the result 3 plus 4, it is 7, value of A1. The next value A2 value means n equal to 2, so here it is 3 plus 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 3 plus 8, so here it is 11, A2 value. And the next one value A3, that means n equal to 3. So 3 plus 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, So 3 plus 12, how much? 15, the value of A3. And the last A4, and 3 plus 4 into 4. How much here? 3 plus 4, 4 4 is 16. So that is 19A4. Okay. So now you can write the series. So series will be series, that means AP. AP is the A1 value is 7, comma next value is 11, and it is 15, then 19, and dot dot dot. So we already find out the AP 7, 11, 15, and 19. Okay. So now A equal to 7 and D equal to second value minus first. So 11 minus 7. So how much it is? 4D. Okay. And we have to find the first 15 term. So that means n equal to 15. We know that which formula? First one formula, n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Already we have a, d or n value. So here it is value as n equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay. Now you can put the value as n. When value is 15, so you have to write as 15. A value of n is 15 upon 2 is it is, and 2 into a, value of a, how much? Here it is 7. 7 plus n minus 1 d. And value is 15. 15 minus 1, and value of d is here 4. So you have to write putting the value 4. After solving we will get 15 upon 2 as it is. 2 into 7 is 14, and 15 minus 1. 15 minus 1 is 14 also. 14 into 4. Okay. Upon 2 is equal to 15 upon 2. 14 plus 56, and that means 15 upon 2 into 70. Divided by 2, that is 35, and 15 into 35. So how much here? S, how much? S here, S15. So S15. 35. So 15 5 is 75. 7 carry. 15 is 45. 45 plus 7 is 525. So required value, there are two things here. The first is here. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms. So 15 terms and the series also 7. The series is here 7, comma 11, comma 15, comma 19, and dot dot dot. And the second answer S15 is equal to 525. Okay friends, and this exercise is completed, and exercise number 5.3. In this chapter we have learnt the three things. First exercise we will learn a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, means how to find the common difference and the number of a. And the next one, 5.2, in this there is formula. One formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1 d, and the last one Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d, or the second formula is here Sn equal to n upon 2a plus l. I hope so you will understand, and definitely you will understand. And if you have any doubts, you will ask me and in comment section. Okay, and please subscribe my channel, and okay, like this one, but you will practice more and more. And thank you very much for watching this video.